today's video I'm going to be making an Xbox One controller skin. I 3D print it from wood filament and all the designs are on Thingyverse for you to download. I shall link in the description below. My 3D printing skills are good, they're very good to a certain extent, but on this one I did get quite a bit of webbing, but that wasn't too bad. It was just a matter of just cleaning it up with some clippy pliers thingies and just sanding it down. Right, so I've opened up Batman Arkham Origins. I can work good. See how we get on with this. This should have more buttons to press that actually use all the buttons on the controller. Seems to be pressing buttons. All that's right. That works all fine. So the D-pad works fine. All that is fine. Seems a little odd to me though. Why these buttons here aren't working properly. We'll have a go with it. But it seems to be the pause button and the menu button seems to be working fine, so that's all good. I guess we could replace them back to the originals. I mean, it probably wouldn't look as nice as the Chrome ones currently, but if it works, then... So, after my first test, it was the Y and the A button wasn't working too well. So, basically I just swapped over the buttons and it worked, but ironically later on I ended up doing an Instagram poll because I wasn't too sure if I liked the Chrome ones. Replace the buttons. So you can't really. There you go. This is the most demonic looking controller at the minute, I will admit. It's like I just destroyed a Kirby, except from Xbox edition. Continue story. Right, let's see how we get on. Even just from doing that, A is a lot quicker. That is good. That is good news. So, there we go. And you can hold A. Does the motor work? Which one was the one I just fixed? 'Cause I've just the big one. Ah, the big one's spinning. Good. I did get the right connection on that one. That should be alright. Okay. Okay. If we put the top plate on, does that change anything? No? Seems to be alright. So, once I had all the components made and sanded, I wanted to try out all the different finishes I could put on it. So I tried beeswax, I tried linseed oil, I even tried burning it, but that didn't work out too well. I ended up going for linseed oil and varnish. At this point in the video, I wasn't too sure if I liked the way the wooden sort of controller was looking, so I bought some more wood filament, it was a darker colour, and it's ended up looking a bit more like plasticine. So see if I could get it to end up like wood and look the part, and still that didn't work. So I went for plan D, which was like, how many stages in this project? How many times I got sidetracked is hilarious. But anyway, I ended up just priming it and spray painting it, and then just coating it in resin, and then sanding it down. So, now that I've finished them, here they are. Now, I'm not too sure I'm happy with the red one. Reason being is just so how these sort of click together and stuff like that, and then also the sanding on top of it. So, but I am very pleased with this one and how this turned out. I love the weathered effect on it, even though that wasn't very intentional. But I ended up going with the black buttons on this just because I did a poll on Instagram and everyone chose the black instead of the chrome buttons. So, and I was kind of like, I rather like that a bit more as well. So I ended up putting these on and I was very happy with how it turned out. So, yeah. Anyway, if you liked this video, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I've got a very cool project coming up next after this. So, look forward to that one. And I shall see you in that next video. Bye.